Hi viewers, if you want to get rid of this notification from your notification panel of your smartphone and you don't need this Google account also in your smartphone, so you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to remove this notification from your notification panel of your smartphone. So what you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Viewers, first of all go to Notes application and then tap on the compose icon and then type the email which is being displayed in the notification. The reason I am saying you to type this email in the Notes application of your smartphone because in future you may require this email and you may not remember it correctly. So what you can do is go to Notes application and you will find it there so that you can then easily know it. So viewers, after typing and saving the text, what you have to do is go back and then go to settings. After that, scroll down and then tap on accounts. After that, tap on Google and then what you have to do is tap on that account which was shown in the notification. So in my case it was this. So I will tap on it. After tapping on the account, what you have to do is find the option which is remove account. So I will find it as I tap on more option. You can see I have found it which is remove account. You have to simply find it in your smartphone and then simply tap on remove account. After tapping on remove account, you will see a pop-up will appear which will be removing the account, will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. Continue. You have to simply tap on remove account. After that viewers, now if I go back and then swipe down the notification panel of my smartphone, you can see that the notification has been removed. So viewers, this was the quick way by which you can quickly remove the notification which is account action required from your smartphone. So viewers, hope you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.